Alright, my goal here is to get this peak, this surface mounted peak on this board in less than 10 minutes. Now can I do it? There should be some tinning on these traces. I just want to tack it down. I don't want to hold it on the leg too long because that could burn it out. Okay, that's almost perfectly aligned. Now, I've tried this two ways. I've tried going leg by leg, and I've tried doing the braid technique. I'll try leg by leg because it's less waste. I'm just getting the smallest possible amount of solder. Keeping the tip clean. See, I've got a bridge there, that's going to come out. Now that's separated. So, I mean, if this solder actually got underneath the legs, then this is good. This is clean. Not too messy. Let's try the other side. Clean the tip. Tin it. See, I can see the edge of the pad there, and it's not really. Now it is. Now it's connected. Very little pad visible. It's almost all covered by the feet. See, I'm just hoping that the solder makes its way underneath. And then just a little inspection. See, there's a all you can do is cross your fingers. Probably about a millimeter or less than a millimeter, like half a millimeter between these traces. Very tight. You don't want to have any kind of short between them. Get a good view for inspection here from everybody who's watching it. How does that look? Stupid autofocus. Does that look like it's gonna work? Well, we'll find out. On to the next step.